Using the Panasonic Cardio Health Station, the doctor quickly scans Joe's carotid and finds atherosclerotic plaque in his left carotid artery. When phosphorylated by EGFR or HER2, HER3 binds P85, the regulatory subunit of PI3 kinase, leading to the phosphorylation and activation of membrane phosphoinositide to PIP3. The downstream effect of this signaling cascade represses apoptosis and increases cell survival. Neurotransmitters sensitize the neuron to subsequent stimuli. Various inflammatory mediators activate intercellular kinases in the peripheral nerve terminal and sensitize the peripheral neuron to respond more readily to subsequent stimuli. Inflammation and neurochemicals acting on sensory neurons lowers the neuron's pain threshold, producing sensitization at the peripheral nociceptor terminal.